What if every human jumped at the same time? What if every person on Earth, all 8 billion people, jumped into the air at the exact same time? Could we move the planet? Could we trigger earthquakes? Or could we actually change Earth's orbit? Let's find out. First, let's estimate. The average person weighs around 137 pounds globally. Multiply that by 8 billion people. That means humanity weighs roughly 1 trillion pounds combined. That sounds huge. But compared to Earth, it's basically nothing. Earth weighs about 13 septillion pounds. That's a 13 followed by 24 zeros. Compared to that, humanity's weight is microscopic. So even if every human jumped at the same time, Earth wouldn't move even a fraction of a millimeter. But that doesn't mean nothing would happen. If every human jumped simultaneously, the impact when everyone landed could generate a massive vibration. It would likely register on seismographs around the world. Scientists might detect it as a tiny artificial quake, but it would be far weaker than even the smallest natural earthquake. The real challenge would be timing. People are spread across the globe. Different time zones, different heights above sea level, different reaction times. Even if we counted down, millions of people would jump milliseconds too early or too late. That tiny difference would cancel out most of the effect. The largest crowd ever reported was about 10 million people in one place. Even that didn't shake the planet. If 8 billion people gathered together and jumped, it might create a brief rumble, but Earth itself wouldn't care. It would be like a grain of sand bouncing on a bowling ball. The real consequences would probably be broken sidewalks, collapsing stages, massive internet videos, and the most synchronized jump in human history. But Earth? It wouldn't even notice.